Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Sierra 1500. This vehicle is powered by a 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, fog lamps, Inside you'll find steering wheel audio controls, cruise control, power outlet, compass, floor mats. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck.